Welcome to our state-of-the-art plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how cactus stems are processed in this modern facility, step by step.
Tools. Our process begins with sustainably harvested cactus stems arriving from eco-friendly farms.
Each cactus stem is carefully inspected to ensure only the highest quality materials enter our high-tech line. Advanced sorting technology separates cactus stems efficiently, minimizing waste in this sustainable operation.
Sustainability is key. We use cactus stems from renewable sources to create biomaterials popular in USA markets.
High-tech despining ensures safe handling of cactus stems without manual labor risks.
This step prepares cactus stems for thorough cleaning, vital for food-grade and cosmetic applications.
AI-driven inspections guarantee consistency in every batch of cactus stems.
From here, cactus stems move seamlessly into processing, showcasing modern efficiency.
The blend is precisely balanced with enzymes, ensuring optimal mucilage extraction while preserving the quality of the cactus pulp. Our experts ensure every cactus stem batch meets strict USA standards for sustainability and purity.
The cactus stem material flows efficiently, thanks to automated systems reducing energy use. Precision mixing breaks down cactus stems for better extraction of valuable compounds.
This phase optimizes cactus stem properties for eco-friendly products like cosmetics.
Enzymatic treatment enhances the natural benefits of cactus stems.
Real-time data keeps our cactus processing at peak efficiency.
Processed cactus stems are now ready for transformation. Here, cactus stems undergo thermal processing to unlock their sustainable potential.
Each batch of cactus stems is refined and tested for quality.
Watch as cactus stems transform into versatile biomaterials.
Moisture extraction from cactus stems yields valuable juices for USA industries.
Thermal processing ensures safety and longevity of cactus products. Automation refines cactus stems with precision unmatched by traditional methods. This core step extracts eco-friendly fibers from cactus stems.
Quality refinement makes our cactus products ideal for sustainable USA manufacturing.
Dried cactus stem powders or sheets are efficiently filled.
Advanced blending incorporates cactus stem mucilage for deep hydration, vitamin-rich nourishment, and anti-frizz benefits in every bottle. Sealing locks in the potent cactus stem extract, preserving its moisturizing and strengthening properties for healthier, shinier hair. Every bottle of our cactus stem hair care undergoes rigorous quality checks to guarantee purity, potency, and satisfaction for USA customers. AI-powered checks guarantee consistency and excellence in every bottle of natural cactus-infused shampoo and conditioner. This seamless phase turns pure cactus stem extract into market-ready shampoos and conditioners.
From extracted cactus stem goodness to beautifully packaged hair products, this line delivers premium natural shampoo.
Efficient, waste-reducing packaging prepares our natural cactus hair products to meet growing USA demand for clean, plant-based beauty.
Automation ensures every package of cactus-infused hair care is secure and traceable, supporting sustainable supply chains. From factory floor to your routine, cactus stem innovation delivers cleaner, greener hair care to American consumers.
Quality-approved natural hair products from cactus stems head out to distributors, bringing sustainable hydration to homes across the USA. Our innovative process transforms humble cactus stems into powerful, eco-friendly hair care.
And that's how we turn sustainable cactus stems into premium natural hair care products. from raw harvest to bottled hydration and shine.